Hey everybody, this is Felix, and we are back today for something new. I want to show you the genesis of my latest illustration, animated illustration, called Adore the Rain. Adore Delano is a contestant of RuPaul Drag Race, Season 6. She made the top 3, and now she's back next month for All Stars. And I saw the picture on the web, and I just knew I had to draw it. So it starts with a simple sketch, drawing the lines, trying to fit the model. Then you go for the inking. So I show you the first line. And then you finish the inking with plain blacks for hair or some shadows. The next step is scan the drawing and then go in Photoshop for pinning it. And after I'm on Illustrator to vectorize the lines in order to start the coloring. I just had to create 2 different frames with the rain up and then down, a little glow in her eyes, and the third frame with the lightning coming suddenly very. The last point for this animation is the frequency that had to be really quick between the 2 main frames, and even quicker when the lightning strikes. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed that little explanation step by step. You can still subscribe to my channel to get information for the next videos online. And of course, you can comment, like and share. See you next time!